Does your business need smarter allocation of experienced engineers and auditors? Are you looking for faster program delivery? Do you see the need to simplify complex risk assessment checklists? Remote audit capability from Vyntelligence builds eyes and ears for your central teams. The Vyn patented technology enables multiple remote site audits with fewer assessors, improving network quality and ensuring higher levels of safety. Vyn remote audit solutions are quick to deploy and very simple to use. Vyn storyboards transform lengthy checklists into short guided video that are succinct and precise to improve the quality of data. This makes it very simple for your field teams and you will never miss any details. Once captured, the videos are easily shared from your mobile phone to a secure AI cloud software as a service platform. The videos are then intelligently analyzed and automatically categorized using smart voice and image processing techniques. The jobs are then prioritized and shared with auditors who can easily search and access the works and the risks. Vyn dashboards enable active collaboration between distributed teams with supervisors and auditors, creating a seamless knowledge experience for both new and experienced engineers. Vyntelligence AI-powered recommendations simplify the process to review and approve the right job at the right time. Vyn is a disruptive innovation that enhances 10 times your operational efficiency in less than 10 weeks. Vyntelligence is enabling forward-looking business leaders by delivering a 360-degree view of the process, 30% fewer site visits, 50% reduction in snags, and 10 times acceleration of install to commissions.